Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Easter bunny decor piece using all items from Hobby Lobby this time. So stay tuned and I will show you how to make it. Alrighty y'all, let's get started. So everything that I'm using in this video today came from Hobby Lobby. Now, as of the filming of this video, which I bought this stuff earlier today, all of this stuff was pretty much on sale. I think it was like 40% off all of their Easter stuff. And y'all know that they're doing away with their 40% off coupon. And then they say that they're going to be having more sales throughout the store and lower prices overall. I don't know. We'll see. Don't know about that. But I was there today and I got all this stuff. So first off, what do I have? I have this little bunny on a stick. I have this cute little bunny head, and now they had two different kinds. One had this buffalo check bow on, and then the other one had sort of like a pinkish rosy colored burlap one. I don't like the bows, so I'm going to be taking this off, so it doesn't really matter what color I got. And I think this is just glued on barely. I can just pull that off. But how cute is that? Hi! This was $5.99. Like I said, this stuff was on sale. This was on sale. I also got this bag of eggs from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99 on sale, 40% off. They're really lightweight. They're plastic. They're hollow. They have a hole in the bottom. And different shades of blue and white. And it has some gold dots and some blue dots. So I thought this was really cute. And over in the ribbon section, I found this ribbon that I thought would go really well with these eggs. So I got this ribbon and this gold ribbon. Now the ribbon was not on sale today, but let's take a look. This was $2.99. This was $3.99. So I got this and the gold to reflect the colors in the eggs. I got Super Moss in this natural type color. I chose this color because that reflects the color in his little face. How cute is that? They did have a darker color, but I'm going with this. And then I have a vase. Now listen, this vase, you can get one almost identical to it at Dollar Tree, but I was trying to do all Hobby Lobby today. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. I was trying to do all Hobby Lobby today. So this one was $4.99. It was not on sale. But like I said, you can get this at Dollar Tree. I'm not going to take the label off of this because this is my house. It's going in my house. And if you're touching my things to look at labels, I'm going to smack you. But anyway, what I'm going to do is pretty simple. Pretty simple. I am just going to take some of this moss. Now, I've not really used much of this brand before. Actually, I've never used this particular stuff before. So I don't know. Okay, so this is pretty thick. And it looks like the fibers are pretty long. So I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to cut some of this, okay? Because this is, it's fairly stiff and it doesn't want to like really scrunch down. Yeah. So I think I'm just going to have to cut a little bit of it off. And of course, I'm making a mess on my table. But anyway, what we're going to do is, I just want to put that down in there and, come on, Mr. Bunny. We'll use this and just kind of pack it down in there. Why are you not staying? I'm trying to get away from using super glue. Super glue, my goodness. Hot glue. But I may have to. I may have to squirt just a little bit of hot glue down in there and then put that stuff down there and kind of pack it down. So let's take this back out, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'll put some hot glue down in there. And I've already got my hot glue gun plugged in because I was going to use it for something else in this craft. Let's see, it's not quite hot enough. So I'm waiting for the hot glue gun to get hot. But anyway, jewelry time. I like to show my paparazzi jewelry. The ring and the bracelet, only $5 from Paparazzi. I am a consultant. If you'll click in the description box, there'll be a link to Paparazzi. Click on that link and then click on the shop button and it will take you to the jewelry. You can either buy, you can sign up to be a consultant where you get a really awesome discount on the already inexpensive jewelry. So there's that. All right, so I think this might be hot enough. So now I'm just going to drizzle the hot glue down in there and then try to put that in there kind of quickly. And I'm only doing that to try to hold it in place, okay? You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but these eggs, like I mentioned a while ago, the eggs are very lightweight. I'm afraid that if I just put the eggs down in there on top of this, it's not going to look right. That's my fear. So let's take this and just kind of press that down in there. That'll work. That'll work just fine. Now the bow on this bunny, I mean, it's cute, but I wanted something to go with it. And I like blues and stuff for Easter. I think that's going to be my thing this year. The color blue. All right, I'm going to put a little bit more of this stuff in there. Little bit more. All right, just cram that down in there. I don't know why I'm leaving this bunny head on this stick. I'm going to try to pull it off. Well, that ain't going to work. Because I'm going to take the stick off of it here in a minute anyway. I may just have to cut it. Okay. That looks okay. I think I got enough in there. Oops. I'm going to drop it in the floor. If you're not making a mess, are you really crafting? I'm not. I'm probably not going to use all of these eggs. But anyway, let's open these up. I'm just going to drop a few down in there. Go down there. There we go. Let's get one of these darker colored ones. Now, do I want to fill that? You know what? I might just fill it all the way up. You know? I don't know. Okay, you go there. Just place that. You know what? That might look okay. Yeah. I'll just cram some more down in there. What you think about that? And then I have 3 eggs left. I want to cram. No. You know what? I want to flip these over because you can see the hole on the bottom. And that's kind of what I was afraid of. Seeing the hole on the bottom. Why are you doing this to me? There we go. Just kind of place that. I'm going to put this other one right there and we'll take this blue one out. All right. So there's that. No, I want to work with these eggs here and try to get the holes to where they're not showing, okay? Hold on. Okay, I think I have the eggs where I want them to be. Now, I just took a pair of scissors and I cut that wooden rod off of the bottom of this poor rabbit. I have decapitated this poor baby and I took the bow off. So now I think what I want to do, because I'm going to put the head of the bunny right here. And I need something in there to kind of fill it up a little bit more. Okay, so the head isn't just floating around. So I want to put some more of this, it was labeled moss, and we'll call it grass, okay? That's what I'm going to call it. You call it whatever you want to call it. I want to call it like Excelsior, but I dropped it in the floor again. All right, so let's just tuck that down there. Okay, I'm just kind of spreading it out, trying to get it kind of even on the eggs down there. All right, so let's get a little bit more. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to have to cut this. You know what? I can't avoid making a mess, so I'm just going to roll with it. I'll sweep it up later. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's kind of cute. I feel that that is going to hold in place just fine. Let's see. And then I want this bunny head to be like right there on top. That's what I'm aiming for. Okay. So what I want to do is I'm going to glue that to this stuff here. And I think I have it packed down in there enough where you're not going to have to worry about it falling out. Okay. Because I'm going to have this sitting on a shelf. And if somebody comes and messes with my decorations, I'm going to get upset. Let's push that glue stick down in there. Okay, so I'm just putting big old blobs of glue here. I'm just going to gently set that like right there and hold it in place. I don't want to smash it down in the vase. I don't want to smash it down in there. I'm just going to set that there. And then I want to put the bow around the neck of the vase, okay? Stay. All right, so let's get... Hold on, let me open this ribbon. Okay. I try to have everything open and prepared. I don't like making people wait and sitting there and watching me try to open things. All right, so I'm going to take this gold ribbon And I'm going to wrap it around the vase here. Okay, bring her around. If you can see. I know this is hard for y'all to see. Oh, my glue wasn't set up. But anyway, what I'm doing is I'm just going to wrap this gold ribbon around the neck of the vase right there. And I'm just using a dot of hot glue to kind of hold it in place so it doesn't slide around. And don't worry about the hot glue being there because we're going to cover it up with a bow. I could have cut that a little bit shorter. I don't know. You know what? I'll just leave it like that. It's going to be covered here in a second anyway, so it's not going to matter. Okay, just be easy and bring that around. There's our gold ribbon. Okay, and now I'm going to make a bow with this polka dot ribbon. Okay, so I did not film myself gluing on this bow. Why? Because this bow takes me a few minutes to make, okay? And I didn't want y'all to have to sit here for 15 minutes watching me wrestle with ribbon making a bow, because I've already made a video showing you how to do this. So if you've seen that video, then you already know how. And it would be boring for you to have to sit here watching me do it all over again. If you have not seen that video, then I will link to it in the description box, and I'll try to pin a comment. I mentioned this, I think I mentioned this earlier. I don't know. I've got so much going on right now in my brain. But I don't know what YouTube is doing with the pinned comments. I make a comment and then I pin it, and sometimes it doesn't stick, you know, it doesn't show up as a pinned comment, so I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, I will put the link to the bow making video in the description box. But anyway, this is the bow that I made with the ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just glued it right there on that gold ribbon. And now he's pretty much done, but you know, looking at it, I feel like it's just a little unbalanced. I'm a little unbalanced, but hey, that's okay. Anyway, I got some of this nautical rope. This is also from Dollar Tree, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put one round of nautical rope here around the bottom of the vase. One or two, I don't know. I'm going to do one, and then we'll see how I like it. I'm going to take my bracelet off for a minute. I'll see how I like it, and then we'll go from there. So anyway, where is the thing? Here. Oh, for heaven's sake. All right, so this has a bit of tape on the end. It kind of holds it together. So I'm going to turn it around to the back, and I'm just going to take a blob of hot glue here. I'm going to put it right down there, kind of towards the bottom, and I want to stick that rope down with it, and I'm just going to hold this in place for a second. And then I'm going to go around and then glue it again in the back to hold it down. And then I'll kind of step back here and take a look. And I know that this is a terrible angle, and I apologize, but you know what? This is what I have to work with, okay? This is my workspace. So I'm just going to wrap it around. Now, you know what? I'm going to put a few more dots of glue just to kind of help tack it in place, because I don't want it to slip off the bottom, because the vase is tapered. Or if you pick it up or something, then that rope might just slide right on off his little bottom. You don't want things sliding off your bottom. It's messy. Let's put another blob of glue right there. Just hold that in place. And now let me take a look and see what I think. And you know what? One is just fine. That looks good. That balanced it out. So we have like the browns up here, and then browns there, and then browns here to like break everything up. And I like that. I'm happy with that. So when this glue fully sets up, I'm just going to cut off the rope there, and it'll be done. But anyway, I will set this up, and I'll take a good photo for y'all so that you can see it in its entirety, you know, a better shot than what you're seeing now. So stick around after the video for that, okay? But if you would, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.